Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how we can customize metahuman DNA bone expressions using Mesh Morpher. So with the poser in Mesh Morpher we can now do several cool stuff. For example, if you select an expression, the bones affected by the expressions will be marked. You will be able to identify which bones are affected by the expression, and you can also show DNA expression bones where if you double click a bone here it will select it, right? You can also double click it from here or select it from here. It's up to you, right? You can modify an expression, and let's do a little bit of experiment here. If we go with blink and let's fix eyelid upper. Let's go with eyelid upper A, and let's trigger our blink, and we can now modify our blink expression to match our meta-humor, either correct because we baked or because we want to change how expressions work for our custom meta-humans, right? So you can replicate any expression, you can do whatever you want to do, right? So after we fix the we fix or put the bones in the correct position for our expression with our expression selected, we then click on bake DNA expression. It will ask us for a confirmation, and if we press yes, our DNA bone expression is baked now. So if we trigger the iBlink L expression, now we can see that the blink is modified, right? And we can do another approach, like we have a morph target, which is a custom mouth left expression. We can go ahead and select our morph target and click on two bone snapshot, right? We're gonna press OK. We're gonna just select a name for our bone snapshot, and yeah, just disable the morph target, and now we can open our bone snapshot because we have to do some changes here. Let's open the bone snapshot, and there are 2-3 bones that we have to remove, right? So we have the rotation bone, lower lip rotation. This should preserve its current translation and rotation, and we also have lower mouth lower bone. This can rotate, but it should preserve its location, right? And most likely same with mouth upper. Same goes with this one, right? We're gonna remove these bones from our bone snapshot because we don't want to apply them. Okay, we found it. Lower lip rotation, we're gonna remove it from the bone snapshot. And we're gonna do the same with mouth lower. Let's load our expression. If we click on load expression, it will allow us to select the bone snapshot, and from this bone snapshot, only the bones affected by our DNA bone expression will be loaded, right? Don't forget that you'd have to keep the expression selected for this to correctly happen. Let's click OK. And now we have this is the bone movement generated from our morph target. And we can go ahead and bake this DNA expression, right? Before baking, if you have any other changes that you want to do this morph target, go ahead and move the bones and do whatever you want to do, right? Let's bake this DNA expression. And now if we enable mouth left, we will see our expression, our new expression running, right? But you will see that it looks a little bit different than what our morph target was, because here in this morph target, the expression is made out of thousands of vertices, while in the skeleton, we only have like few bones, tens of bones, right? So we can do one thing. We can enable our expression and select our morph target if we want to add back the details from our morph target, right? And we update from pose. And now our morph target will consist of the deltas between our current state of the expression and the final state, right? If we trigger this, we will see that we get the vertices filling the gaps, right? So let's do one thing. Let's bake that corrective morph target for our expression. Let's go to actually let's go to blend, and we need to select mouth left. This is our corrective morph target we want to blend with our current corrective morph target, right? Let's enable it. Let's put it to 1. And let's also enable our corrective expression for mouth left, for our custom mouth left. Let's select the name of the new morph name, the current metahuman corrective morph target, and click on create. It will ask us to overwrite. We click yes. And now it's done. We can close this window. Let's disable this morph target here. Let's disable our expression, and let's enable it back. And now you can see we have bone movement along with the corrective morph target. Our expression looks the way we intended, right? So this is it for this video, guys. I hope this shed some light on this new functionality in Mesh Morpher. Don't forget that you can now see the affected bones. You have a lot of tools that allow you to understand and manipulate how a DNA bone expression works, right? So this is it. Thank you for watching, and see you around. Bye.